444. This angel number is saying to you today, your guided wish to remind you that you are always protected. Visualize a crystalline shield of light surrounding to our body. That is all you need to nullify the darkness in your life. Type 444 to equip your light armor. God is saying to you today, my child, I need you to step your game up. I need you to start showing people that you love me by the way you live. I need you to stop bringing yourself down. You are important, beautiful, and strong. I love you. The universe is saying to you today, send positive energies out to the world and expect wonderful blessing in return. When you have happy thoughts, you feel happy regardless of what you are doing or where you are in the life. Stay happy and positive. Subscribe God's Manifesto. God always bless you. Thank you all.